Good morning, everyone. I am Dipanshi from BSc Chemistry Honor Second Year. Today, I am here to discuss the topic acids and bases. As we all know from previous classes, that acids are those which can donate the electron, and bases are those which can accept the proton. So, first of all, we discuss the Arrhenius concept of acids and bases. Arrhenius, a Swedish chemist, was the first to define acids and bases in aqueous solutions. According to Arrhenius, an acid is defined as a substance which contains hydrogen and which, when dissolved in water, gives hydrogen ions. Accordingly, all mineral acids like HCl, HNO3, and H2SO4 containing hydrogen, when dissolved in water, dissociate completely into hydrogen ions. HCl in water gives H positive plus Cl negative. HNO3 in water gives H positive plus NO3 negative. H2SO4 in water gives 2H positive plus SO4 2 negative. Arrhenius named these acids which dissociate completely in water as strong acids. There are other acids like acetic acid CH3COOH, carbonic acid H2SCO3, and phosphoric acid H3PO4, which when dissolved in water do not dissociate completely into ions. As a result, an equilibrium is set up between the ions and the undissociated acid molecules as shown below. Acetic acid in water dissociate into H positive plus CH3COO negative. It is weakly dissociated because it is a weak acid. H2CO3 in water gives 2H positive and CO3 2 negative. H3PO4 in water gives 3H positive plus PO4 3 negative. Arrhenius named these acids as weak acids. According to Arrhenius, a base is a substance which contain hydroxyl group means OH, and which when dissolved in water gives hydroxyl ions OH negative. The substances like NaOH and KOH when dissolved in water dissociate completely to give hydroxyl ions OH negative, as NaOH in water gives Na positive plus OH negative. KOH in water gives K positive plus OH negative. Arrhenius named these bases which dissociate completely in water as strong bases. These are the substances which do not completely dissociate into hydroxide ions. Arrhenius named these substances as weak bases. For example, substances like NH4OH, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide do not dissociate completely to give OH negative ions and can be written as NH4OH in water gives NH4 positive plus OH negative. Magnesium hydroxide in water gives Mg2 positive plus 2OH negative. Aluminium hydroxide in water gives Al3 positive plus 3OH negative. Hydrogen ions obtained from the acids and hydroxyl ions obtained from the base combines together to form unionized water. Arrhenius described this combination of H positive and OH negative ions as neutralization reaction. NaOH gives Na positive plus OH negative. It is a strong base, and HCl is a strong acid, so it gives H positive plus Cl negatively. Combining right hand side of 7.1 and 2, we get Na plus OH negative plus H positive plus Cl negative, and it will give Na positive plus Cl negative plus H2O. Cancelling the common ions on both the sides, we will get H positive plus OH negative gives H2O. It is neutralization. Arrhenius concept is very simple to apply and explains a number of phenomena like neutralization, hydrolysis of salt, strength of acid and base. However, there are certain limitations which are described below. Arrhenius concept of acid and bases is applicable only in aqueous solutions in which water is solvent. This concept fails to explain the acid or base behavior. Due to this, acid and base behavior is not explained in non-aqueous medium such as liquid ammonia, liquid sulfur dioxide, alcohol, etc. At last, we can say that it is only for aqueous solution, which is water, not for non-aqueous. Arrhenius concept fails to explain the acidic character of substance like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, SO3, etc. because in this neither the proton is accepted and nor the donated, so we cannot tell that it is a acid or a base. And basic character of substance like NH3, Na2CO3, CO, etc. In this also the same concept is followed. Arrhenius concept also fails to explain the reaction between an acid and bases in absence of water. As we have seen above, in every reaction water is being involved, but In those reactions in which water is not involved, for example, NH3 plus HCl gives NH4Cl, Na2O plus SO3 gives Na2SO4. Although Arrhenius' concept of acid and base suffers from a number of limitations, yet the concept is very useful and informative for an elementary approach. Bronsted-Lowry concept. Arrhenius' concept of acid and bases was further improved by Bronsted and Lowry. Both Bronsted and Lowry in 1923 incidentally introduced the same definition for acid and bases. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, an acid is a substance which can donate a proton, H positive, whereas a base is a substance which can accept a proton, H positive. In other words, an acid is a proton donor, whereas a base is a proton acceptor. एसिड डोनेट करता है और बेस एक्सेप्ट करता है. लॉरी ब्रॉन्स्टेड कंसेप्ट इन समटाइम्स कॉल्ड प्रोटॉन डोनर एक्सेप्टर कंसेप्ट. इसका दूसरा नाम प्रोटॉन डोनर एक्सेप्टर कंसेप्ट भी है. इट कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज एसिड 1 गिव्स H पॉजिटिव. एसिड हमेशा H पॉजिटिव देता है, बेस क्या देता है OH नेगेटिव. So acid 1 gives H positive plus base 1, it is proton donor, and base 2 plus H positive gives acid 2, proton acceptor. According to Bronsted-Lowry, a neutralization reaction involves the release of proton by an acid and the acceptance of that proton by a base. For example, the reaction between HCl and NH3 to form the salt ammonium chloride can be represented as ammonium ion NH4 positive has a tendency to donate proton. NH4 पॉजिटिव प्रोटॉन को डोनेट कर रहा है तो ये एसिड हुआ. और इन अदर वर्ड्स एन एसिड डोनेट अ प्रोटॉन एंड बिकम्स अ बेस. वो डोनेट करके क्या बन जाता है बेस, एंड बेस क्या करता है एक्सेप्ट करता है प्रोटॉन को और क्या बन जाता है एसिड. Thus a base formed from an acid is regarded as the conjugate base of the acid. Similarly, the acid formed from a base is called the conjugate acid of the base. In the example above, between HCl and NH3, Cl negative is the conjugate base of HCl and NH4 positive is the conjugate acid of the base NH3. Acid and bases that are related by the loss or gain of H positive ion are called conjugate acid base pair. Thus Cl negative and HCl, NH4 positive and NH3 are conjugate acid pairs. We can represent the acid base pair. Acid gives conjugate base plus H positive and base plus H positive give conjugate acid. It clearly indicates that at any acid base reaction would involve two acids and two bases. These acids and bases are called conjugate pairs. For example, acid 1 plus base 2 gives acid 2 plus base 1. Example, HCl plus H2. HCl is an acid and H2 is a base. So we know it is a neutralization reaction. It will give H3O positive conjugate acid and Cl negative conjugate base. In the above example, HCl is an acid. Since it donates a proton, अब उसने प्रोटॉन को डोनेट किया एंड Cl नेगेटिव को क्या बना दिया कंजुगेट बेस. वाटर ने क्या किया एक्सेप्ट किया प्रोटॉन को, इसलिए वो क्या बन गया बेस. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन विच एक्सेप्ट द प्रोटॉन is called base and which donate is called acid. A strong acid has a weak conjugate base and vice versa. Some other example of conjugate acid pairs हैं यहाँ पे. अभी ये conjugate pairs है. Acid 1 plus base 1 gives acid 2 plus base 2. So first example is HNO3. Nitric acid plus water gives H3O positive hydronium ion and NO3 negative. HCN plus H2O gives. In every case, H3O positive is formed when H2O is involved. As an acid 2 you can see, and base is Cn negative. H2O plus H2O gives hydronium ion and OH negative. CH3COO H plus H2O gives H3O positive plus CH3COO negative. As I have told earlier that it is a weak base. HSO4 negative plus H2O gives H3O positive plus SO4 2 negative. H2O plus CO3 2 negative gives HCO3 negative plus OH negative. NH4 positive plus S2 negative gives HS negative plus NH3. NH4 positive plus H2 gives H3O positive plus NH3. It is further important to note the Bronsted-Lowry concept is not restricted to only neutral molecules. This concept is equally applicable to ions as well. A substance is capable of showing acidic character only if the substance is capable of accepting the proton. For example, HCl is an acid in aqueous medium because water can accept the protons from HCl. However, HCl is not an acid in become because benzene does not accept H positive ion from HCl. Not only neutral molecules but cations and anions may act as acids and bases. Both Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry concept require an acid to be a source of protein. Thus, all Arrhenius acids and Bronsted-Lowry acids. According to Arrhenius, a base is a substance which gives OH negative ions in solution. NaOH in water gives Na positive plus OH negative. Whereas, according to Bronsted-Lowry, a base is a substance which can accept a proton. Carbonate ion plus H positive gives bicarbonate ion. Carbonate ion cannot give OH negative in aqueous solution. It therefore cannot be an Arrhenius base. Thus, all Bronsted-Lowry bases are not Arrhenius bases. That's why it has many limitations. Limitations of Bronsted-Lowry concept. Although Bronsted-Lowry concept could explain the shortcomings of Arrhenius concept. मतलब उसने कुछ बातें तो ठीक करी थी Arrhenius की, लेकिन yet it could not answer some of the well established reactions. मीन्स ये भी फुली एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया था. द रिएक्शन बिटवीन एसिटिक ऑक्साइड्स लाइक CO2, SO2 and SO3 with the basic oxide like calcium oxide CaO, barium oxide BaO and MgO, which takes place even in the absence of water. For example, CaO plus SO3 gives CaSO4. Clearly, this reaction between CaO and SO3, there is no proton transfer involved in the reaction. मतलब हमें यहाँ पता नहीं चल रहा कि प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफ़र हुआ है कि नहीं. जैसे हमने कुछ रिएक्शंस में देखा कि H पॉजिटिव निकल रहा है, एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन नहीं दिख रहा, इसीलिए इसकी लिमिटेशन हो गई. क्लियरली इन द रिएक्शन बिटवीन CaO एंड SO3 देयर इज़ नो प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफ़र. द एसिडिक नेचर ऑफ कंपाउंड्स लाइक BF3, मतलब ये BF3 FeCl3 और AlCl3 का एसिडिक नेचर नहीं बता पाया. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें ना तो ये प्रोटॉन को डोनेट कर रहा, तो ये भी एक लिमिटेशन है. Now, Lewis concept of acid and bases. G.N. Lewis in 1923 proposed a more general definition of acid and base, which is based upon the donation and acceptance of electron pair. ये एक नया कंसेप्ट लेके आया. इसने कहा कि an acid is a substance which can accept a pair of electron, और base क्या होता है? which can donate a pair of electron. Language change करी. In other words, an acid is an electron pair acceptor. जो electron pair को accept कर ले वो acid है. A substance which can, अब एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए उसके पास क्या होना चाहिए? वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल, तभी वो एक्सेप्ट कर पाएगा. खाली जगह होगी, तो इसीलिए जिसके पास वैकेंट ऑर्बिटल होंगे अकोमोडेट कर सकेगा वन और मोर पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, उनको हम बोलेंगे लेविस एसिड. ऑन द अदर हैंड, अब बेस क्या होगा? डोनर. सो इट मीन्स दैट एनी सब्सटेंस with unshared pair of electron can behave as Lewis base. Thus, the acid-base neutralization reaction involves the formation of a coordinate bond between the electron pair donor and electron pair acceptor. इनके बीच में क्या बनता है? coordinate bond बनता है. For example, the reaction between the boron tribe BF3 and ammonia NH3 is typical Lewis acid-base reaction. Lewis acid, Lewis base, coordinate bond formation. हमने देखा BF3 था, NH3 था. नाइट्रोजन के पास लोन पेयर कितने हैं? एक लोन पेयर है, तो इनके बीच में क्या बन गया? कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. अब NH3 और HCl के बीच में रिएक्शन हुई, क्या मिला? NH4 पॉजिटिव प्लस Cl नेगेटिव. अब नाइट्रोजन के पास लोन पेयर हैं, क्लोरीन के पास भी लोन पेयर हैं. ब्रोंसिलोरी बेस है अमोनिया, और ब्रोंसिलोरी बेस ही क्या है? HCl. तो एट द लास्ट रिएक्शन विल बी NH4 पॉजिटिव प्लस Cl नेगेटिव. द कर्व्ड एरोज शो how electron must rearrange to result in the transfer of hydrogen atom from the acid to a base. The unshared pair of electrons on the nitrogen of ammonia is attracted by partial positive charge on the hydrogen in the polar hydrogen chloride molecule. A comparison of the structure of the reactant and product shows that the hydrogen atom which was bonded to chlorine in the reactant is bonded to nitrogen in the product. Thus, the proton has been transferred from chlorine to nitrogen. To act as a Bronsted-Lowry base, the species must have at least one unshared pair of valence electron, that it can form a covalent bond to the proton. To act as Bronsted-Lowry acid, a species must contain at least one hydrogen atom that is attached to an atom that is more electronegative than hydrogen. मतलब हाइड्रोजन के साथ एक इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट अटैच होना चाहिए. जैसे Cl है, क्लोरीन एक इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट है, हाइड्रोजन के साथ अटैच होता है तो HCl होता है. इन दिस केस HCl लॉस इज अ प्रोटॉन. अब प्रोटॉन क्या है? H पॉजिटिव, हो गया लॉस. तो ये क्या है, एक एसिड है। अमोनिया एक्सेप्ट अ प्रोटोन फ्रॉम HCl एंड इज़ अ बेस। अब अमोनिया ने वो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, इसीलिए वो क्या हो गया, बेस हो गया। सम अदर एग्जांपल, नाउ HCl क्या है, प्रोटोन डोनर, बेस H2O, H3O पॉजिटिव बना हाइड्रोनियम आयन और दिया उसने Cl नेगेटिव। H2SO4 में H2O डालेंगे तो H3O पॉजिटिव तो बनेगा ही, और निकला क्या, HSO4 नेगेटिव। H2O में NH3 डाला तो अभी हमने पढ़ा NH4 पॉजिटिव प्लस OH नेगेटिव। It is important to note in the above example the water act as base with respect to hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Interestingly, water act as an acid with respect to ammonia. Such a substance which act both as an acid as well as base is called amphoteric or amphoteric substance. Similarly, HCO3 negative can behave as acid and base. So I think you have understand the topic very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.